everyone, this is Cato with ProStudioLive.com, and as mentioned in the last video, I'll be sharing Pro Tools tips with you every week. I'm starting out with the basics, but eventually I'll get into more advanced stuff. So today I want to share with you this nice trick of using the Restore Last Selection function. So let's get into it. So sometimes you might be working in Pro Tools and you'll accidentally lose a selection. So I'm just going to make a selection here so you can kind of see. Here's my selection. Let's say I just lost it. And unlike a lot of actions that you do in Pro Tools, your selections are not stored in the undo queue. So how do you recover that selection? Well, Pro Tools actually has a distinct function that's called Restore Last Selection, and that will help you restore an edit or timeline selection. It can help you easily restore a recent selection. So to use Restore Last Selection, just go to the Edit menu, and then you can select Restore Last Selection. So let me see right here, Restore Last Selection. And it restores that selection that I had down here, right? Or another way to do it is you can hold Command, Option, and then press Z on your keyboard. So I'm just going to show you that. I'm holding Command and then Option and then hitting Z, and it restores my selection. If you're on Windows, you're going to hold Control and Alt and then hit Z. And it's just like your Command Z for your undo function, except you also hold Option and then it restores your last selection. So this can be great, again, if you're doing something, you have this perfect selection for what you want to do, for what you want to edit, and then you lose it, you can restore it. So that's it. To check out more Pro Tools tips and tricks, just head on over to my show. It's called Pro Tools Authority, and it's on ProStudioLive.com. And there you can find my show and tons of other shows on producing, recording, mixing, and mastering. And finally, if you have any questions or would like to see me cover something specific, then let me know in the comments section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.